Alright, here comes the sausage. Put it in, top layer. So that's how it should look in a smoker. Now, very important, don't save money on this little gadget. You need to have a thermometer. So it shows me outside temperature of 6 degrees and it shows me a preset. I usually have it at 72 degrees. 72 Celsius. Now, very important, put that inside the sausage all the way. Try to stick to the middle of the sausage. That's it. It's done. So when the temperature reaches 72 inside the sausage is done. So this little thermometer will beep, and then I know my sausage is ready. I don't need to open it, I don't need to look. I just know that my smoker is working. So here we go.